Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra air sign. This is April monthly reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Libra air sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Yeah. Libra. I think King of Pentacles, Queen of Pentacles. I think you both are very career oriented. You both are focusing on your career. Maybe you both are well settled. So you are starting to focus on your career more than your relationship right now, Libra. And the lovers, yeah, love is there between you and your person, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini also. There is love, but there is fighting also. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 5 of Wands, King of Pentacles and 10 of Pentacles. So there are some issues going between you and your person. Maybe your person fighting for your attention because you are concentrating on your career, on your financial abundance a lot in recent past. From recent past, you started focusing on your career, especially financial career, because King of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles, you want to achieve this financial stability and you will. For some you already achieved because King of Pentacles with 10 of Pentacles. But someone is fighting for your attention. For some there is a lot of drama going between you and your person in recent past. Then present, Strength card, 5 of Swords and 8 of Wands. Yeah, there are some disturbances between you and your person. 5 of Swords energy. They may be backstabbed on you. Maybe they're telling some lies to you. For some, there are very small differences between you and your person. But you are very stable. You are taking your control back because the Strength card. Now you are okay with or without them because you are now balanced. You are taking your control back. But there is lots of communication is coming. 8 of Swords energy. Someone want to communicate with you back and forthly. Lots of communication is coming, Libra. But there are some differences between both of you. 5 of Swords energy is here. Maybe in past you are very emotional towards your person, but now you are stable now. You are balanced within you. Then future, Knight of Wands, the Hierophant with 3 of Pentacles. So this person is very passionate about you. They're coming back with a lot of passion and again they're coming back to work on this relationship. If only this card came, they're only passionate about you, but with this they really want to work on this relationship. 3 of Pentacles. They want reconciliation if you are in separation with this person. If you are not in separation with this person, they want to take this relationship to next level. Means they want to marry you. And Hierophant, yes, definitely there is commitment is coming. If you're waiting for your person to commit to you, definitely near future there is commitment is coming because they are very attracted to you and there is a lot of passion. They are very, very passionate about you. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Earth energy, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, then Capricorn, okay, Leo or Leo especially. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Ace of Cups. They love you and their love towards you is overflowing. Libra. So Libra, let's see your person feelings towards you. Yeah, maybe in past your person may be juggling. There are some crossroads. They have to make some major decision regarding this relationship. Again, 3 of Pentacles with 7 of Wands and Ace of Pentacles. This time your person is very serious about you, Libra. They can't let you go easily because they will fight for your attention. 7 of Wands. and they really want to work on this relationship, and they want to offer stability, and they want to marry you. So let's see their actions. Libra, your person actions towards you. Yeah, again 3 of Pentacles. They want success in this connection, and they want to restore the balance in this connection especially. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, fire energy, especially Sagittarius. So they want success in this connection. They want to win you back if you are in separation. If you are not in separation, definitely there is marriage proposals are coming. And 6 of Wands with 3 of Pentacles. They are really serious about you because they want success and they really want to work on this relationship. Yeah, because in past there is no equal give and take for some, but this time your person really want to offer equal give and take also. They want to restore the balance in the connection. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Very, very positive reading for you, Libra, so far. Yeah. Maybe right now your person undergoing some spiritual awakening, but it is only for good. They're realizing that you are their happiness. Yes, this is a soulmate connection, strong soulmate bond, and this is a mutual love between both of you. There is love between both of you. You also love this person. They're obsessed with you and they're rushing towards you to communicate with you. Maybe you are also obsessed with them. I am not considering this devil energy very toxic in this connection, in this reading especially, because all cards are very, very positive. Maybe there are some reasons, but this I am considering it is as only obsession. They're obsessed with you. Maybe you are obsessed with them because you like them. Yeah, right now you both are in some separation. Maybe one person treating the other person as an option in past, but your person realizing they will fight for your attention. Libra, don't worry, if you are in separation with your person, definitely they will fight for your attention. And yeah, they are coming back. This time your person is very serious about you. So let's see your overall energy for the month, Libra. So you deserve best. Maybe if they coming back with commitment, it is okay. Otherwise you decided to cut off. You still are at some crossroads. They coming back with an apology. Yeah, you are juggling because they're coming back. You don't know which decision you have to make. But you will make. Don't confuse. So let's see your person overall energy for the month. Maybe in past, maybe your person have options. That's why they treated you as a option. But now they're realizing they're coming back. Yeah, they're thinking about you a lot. For some, it could be long distance relationship. Yeah, in past, they hurt you. And your person is financially stable. Yeah, there is love between both of you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Maybe for some, there is third party situation also involved. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Libra. I have too much going in my life, on my life. Retreat. Mask. Yeah, maybe for some wearing mask. I'm serious about you. And free yourself. And religious factors. For some, religious factors also affecting this relationship. The messages are free yourself, mask, retreat. They're serious about you and they have too much going on their life. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. For some, your person may be really player. If you know about your person is a player, then there is no point to wait. If you know, you have clarity, then I'm saying. So let's see the message. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon is Sagittarius. So if you are not seeing any result, if you are doing hard work, maybe you are not seeing, but it is coming. Look at the bigger picture. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.